Thank you, Madam Chair. When I was first elected in 2015, the leadership at the time gave us an option of producing 5 different bills, requests that we would like to have signed into law. And for me, one of those top 5 requests was civil asset forfeiture reform. And that bill that I submitted eventually became a bill package, and the bill that I had in that package had to do with the reporting and transparency piece. And I am pleased that today that report is being dissected and looked through to find out just exactly what's happening with civil asset forfeiture. There was a number of proposals that were put forth that I thought made sense to protect due process and also allow law enforcement to be able to do their jobs. And these bills resulted from that discussion that we had over that length of time. The bill that I am proposing amends the Public Health Code to require a prosecutor review civil asset forfeiture and drug forfeiture cases. This bill, under this bill, if no claim is filed to contest forfeiture within 20 days, the following procedure must be followed. The seizing agency must provide a second notice and list of the property seized to the prosecuting attorney, or if the Attorney General is handling the case, the Attorney General and the owner of the property. The prosecutor or Attorney General must review the list of property seized and determine if the property is lawfully subject to seizure and forfeiture. The prosecutor and Attorney General must then seek a court order approving the seizure and forfeiture and affirming that the property will not be moved, sold, transferred, or destroyed while forfeiture proceedings are pending. After attaining this order, the prosecutor or Attorney General must notify the seizing agency that the approved property is forfeit and disposed of. If the prosecutor or Attorney General does not approve the seizure of property, then the seizing agency must return the property to the person from whom it was seized. Most law enforcement officers are very professional and follow proper guidelines. But we all know that in every profession and in some departments, there are issues, whether they're due to underfunding or improper leadership, that do not always follow the rules. This legislation will address these situations to protect the innocent and ensure that the seizure process is reversed in cases where the property should not have been forfeit. The county prosecutor is an elected official by the people, and giving the county prosecutor this oversight will ensure that any potential bad actors are held in check. This is good policy for the people of the state of Michigan, for law enforcement, and will build citizen trust. It's imperative that Michigan citizens trust in law enforcement and have a transparent and consistent process in the state that will ensure law enforcement trust is solid.